Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am back again with a short video to just let you know how you can use ChatGPT to do some sort of analytics without having knowledge of anything. Like you don't know what is data analysis, how it works, what you want, how you can get it done. You don't know Excel, you don't know any analytics tool, but you know what you want. So how you can get help from AI to get your analytics. Let's test and try what you can get done with the help of AI. This is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Grok, you can use Julius, you can use different sort of tools to get this help. Definitely there is a limitation for free version, but still you can get few analytics done for a day as well. When you try your chat GPT, then you let me know that how it works. So what to do? I actually made a video. I will use same data that I used last video to make a Google sheet or analytics using AI. In that example, I got written a code by AI in Google Apps script. But this time I am doing for those people who knows nothing about any technical tool, but they know what they want. So how they can get help out from this ChatGPT or any tool you use. So let me show you. Let me add a file, same file. You click here, you add file or photos. You go to where you have file. I have this file here. I'm just uploading this file. It will be uploaded. Now this file has been uploaded and I don't know what is in this file. But I know this is an sample HR employee data, and what I want is I want to some key insights, sub analytics from this dashboard, from this file, so I can make some decisions or I share it with my manager or my head of HR so he or she can use this data for some decision making. So how it works? Let me write. I want to do EDA, or you can tell me what is this file is all about and what it contains and what ANALYT analytics or key insights I can get from this file. Those can support my decision making or my HR head. I want you to list down all these and then make an Excel file where you give me all these key insights insights in the form of tables and charts of these tables along with data labels added into charts. Please make different charts. Do not make all same chart types. Make charts based on data tables you design as key insights. This is a prompt what I want from this data. So let me play with this. I click enter. So what will happen? See, first of all, it has read what is this data. It is showing that this data is in this shape and form. So what is doing? It is trying to understand what it is. You uploaded HR data set that includes record of this employees and these columns. Key data areas, name, gender, date of birth, marital status, race, citizenship, whatsoever. So these are some of the key data areas it has automatically identified instead of asking me. Then it is also recommending me key insights for extra decision making. It is telling me what you can analyze: gender distribution, age distribution, marital status, race and citizen composition, head count, department insights, a lot of it is automatically. It has read the columns, understood the data, and now telling me what I can get out of these. See, lot of analytics that even as a human I cannot understand should I be making or not. So most important part is you don't need to put an effort on what you want. We are always waiting someone who comes and gives us some insights from our data and recommends us what should we do. So if you know nothing, then you can use AI. And for using AI, you need to know what you want. If you don't know, even you can get this done by the AI as well. So see, now next steps, deliverables. What it is telling me, I will prepare Excel file containing. I have asked this table for each insight, different types of charts, data labels. Let me proceed to Excel report for you. See, I have created within a second it had created. I will not see is it working for us or not. Let me click here. It will download the file. File is downloaded. Let's open this file and see what is the miracle has been done. See what it has done. Let me see where is the file. It has made the output for me. See what it has done. It has made a table gender where this is indexing 01. How many females are there? How many males are there? And then it has made a chart. See, female 56%, males 43, and they are male. You can adjust this. Even you can even add in the prompt that make these charts uh, as good as smart. You can even include this in part and your prompt, so it will adjust as well. See, now this is department head count. Department wise, how many head counts are there? And it is giving you respective charts. See, if I do like this, make it short. See, here it is. See, number of employees, departments, descending order sorted. Same performance scores. See, there is a column of performance score. Same recruitment sources. See, what a beautiful chart it is. But size is bigger than what we need. See, total absence. Oh my God. See, okay, let me close this file and read line. I want properly fitting charts. These are too big. Also add data labels you have not added and give me updated file with you more key insights as well. You can actually ask directly to AI what you want. Like this is generic statement I'm giving, but you can give to the point. Let's see if you are expert at analytics. You can ask, I want this, I want this, I want this. Let me download this file again. Now open this file and see what has happened. See, it has resized the chart as well. This was too big. Now this is properly fit in. See, data labels are also added. These were not available in last file. See, wow. Within a second, you get it done. Absenteeism by department, sale by department, satisfaction, all that stuff. See, with just one prompt, what you get done. Okay, let me do one thing more. Can you give me all these key insights in HTML format and also add filters with data so I can filter all charts at once for user ease. See what happens. So what I am trying to tell you in this video that if you know what is AI and you know how to use it, you don't have to do anything. See, this is all HTML code this ChatGPT is writing for me. I don't need to understand what it is doing. I need to understand what I want actually. That's it. If I know what I want, I can get it done. If I don't know what I want, I cannot get it done. Now let's see, let's preview it. I click here, allow selected, let me, it is opening. See the dashboard, fix bugs. Okay, there is some issue with the console. I'll download this file once it uh, fixes the bug. I'll download this file. See, it has already added a drop down as well, a filter as well. This is editing the, actually, this is editing the code. I don't want this video to be lengthy more than 10 minutes because LinkedIn doesn't allow to post me more than. Here you go. Here you go. Here is a complete HTML version of that file. So let me download this and tell you what I'm talking about. Download this. This file is downloaded. I go here. This is only 5 KB file. Let me open this. This file opens for me. And here you go. This is, you don't need anyone. You get it done by this. Gender distribution. This is performance score, whatever. You can get more stats as well. So what is happening? Let me see. HR. So all the charts are now for HR, finance, C, IT. Okay, let me do one thing more. Uh, excellent work, but give me more filters along with department so I can use them as well. Enter. I am doing nothing. I am doing no calculation. I am telling you, let's suppose you have no technical knowledge. You are metric pass, you are FA pass, and you don't have knowledge of any analytics. But you know what you want. You are an owner, you are an employee, you are manager, but you know what you want. So you can use AI to get it done for you. See, The magic has happened. See, let me download this file. Oh, sorry. Let me download this file and now open this file for you. Same 6 KB only. See, all the dashboard is ready for you. See, I click exceeds, I click mail only, I click finance. There is no data for this HR. See, I click this all genders, this gets all. So, see, this is a website I have developed within a second. Now you can upload this to any website. Can you understand what I'm talking about? What it has done is it has written a code all about this, and that's it. This is brilliant. I will upload this file as well along this video so you can use this as well. Thank you so very much. I'll keep on posting more videos that get ready to learn AI. If you know nothing, but you should know what you want to get AI done for you. Thank you so very much. You can change colors, whatever. Let me try one thing with video. If this video is not getting too lengthy, let me do one thing. Can you make these charts more beautiful and fancy and add some BAU beauty to page? Let's see what happens. The web developers who are working on web development and all this stuff see what is happening. Would you, yes, apply please. Apply please. See what will do. I don't know anything about website development. I don't know anything about HTML. I mean to say, I'm talking about you people, I know, because I am into this field. But you don't know anything, but you are getting it done in seconds. See, I am surprised. See. Oh my God. Let me add some background to the page, some icons as well. I am just using AI prompts to build a complete live interactive dashboard using AI. This is just 0.00001% of what you can get it done by the AI. So I can just advise, please try to learn this. If you don't learn this, you will be out of the scene. This is most important part now. Do it before 10 minutes video goes. I don't want to get it lengthy than 10 minutes. I want to see how much time it has taken already. It is actually editing and writing the code. I have to wait. Else till now I can download this as well. If it goes allow, see. Okay, these are edit. So let me download this file downloaded. I'll share it with you. Let me stop sharing. No, I'll not stop sharing. Let me bring this to live. So guys, this was the video for today. I hope this is not more than 10 minutes. Thank you so very much. Keep learning as stay hungry, stay foolish. Thank you so very much.